Hi there, Claude here. Today I'm going to try to attempt one of those challenges they do in Texas with those big steak challenge, whatever. What I have today is a 2-pound porterhouse, and I have 2.5-pound ribeye, which is about 3-inch thick, which is a total of 72 ounces. And I'm going to try to attempt to do this with 1.5 pounds of mashed potato under an hour. That's what the challenge is. This is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to try it out to see if I'm up to the challenge to go in Texas and beat their steak. All right? So let me go cook this, and I'll be right back with you guys. So to make sure the steak is cooked perfectly, you need to have a nice blaze so the steak get all the crispiness outside and traps the juice inside. So you have it like all nice and juiced. So you need a nice blaze before you put the steak on. It's almost there. Oh yeah, look at these babies. That's steaks right there. That's gonna be awesome. All right, I'm ready. I'm gonna start with the porterhouse. I have the ribeye in the oven so it stays warm when I'm eating this. And I'm gonna attempt with 1.5 pounds of mashed potato, 1 hour on the timer, and I'll start now. Oh yes. A little salt, little pepper. This is the small steak. Less than 5 minutes. I'm almost done here. I'm done with this one. Now it's time for the other one. Now this is a steak. Gonna even this out with some Diet Pepsi. You know, gotta kill some calories somewhere. Wow, look at the steak. It's bigger than my face. Look. Starting to sweat. Look at this thing. Big chunk of meat. Here's a text from Tim talking about steak contest. There's 3 places now that do the steak special. Okay. I'm working on it. I'm practicing. Look at the redness of this meat. This is like a lot of meat. I'm not done yet. Finish this one. Still working on the mashed potatoes. Meat. I usually eat the fat, but I'm not looking for a heart attack today, so I'll skip. Wow, that's sitting in my stomach very hard. Still have 41 minutes to go though. Whew. It's a tough challenge. I think I'm gonna need a cigarette or something. There's not much left. One little flat, mostly fat. Here, let me cut the fat out. It's all fat. Yeah, it's mostly all fat. Probably finish that right now. This is all nasty stuff. There's like no meat in there. It's all nerve and fat. Nerves, fat. Mashed potatoes. Here's the bones. Here's a pile of fat and nastiness. Final bite of the potato. See how much time? There's still 36 minutes left. Finish this challenge. I made it. Texas, bring it on, Texas. I'm gonna do it. It's only steak. Gotta eat steak. All right, guys, that was awesome. I'm stuffed. I can't move. Whew. Whew.